Happy holidays. It's time for the Las Vegas real estate market update. This is David Brownell, Brownell Team Realtors and Real Broker. We're going to have a great day today. We got a lot to talk about. Happy holidays. It's that time of year, and there's nothing better to end the year with a little dose of what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market. Again, a couple things that we've been noting for the last few months, and we're going to continue to note this month. Number one, demand is still very low. We had 1,903 closings in the greater Las Vegas market last month. That's still right around those pandemic levels when the entire world was closed. That just tells you how slow the market is right now. For the last 8 months, under contract units have gone down, new escrows added in the month have gone down, and our closings have gone down. Days on the market is up from 22 days to 43 days. It's almost doubled. But let's keep that in perspective. 43 days isn't that horrible, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. So that's not too bad, even though it's doubled. The next thing that we're noticing in this month's numbers is that inventory is decreasing. Now, we expected that because that usually happens as the season comes. It's December and the holidays roll around and folks hold off on putting their property on the market maybe until the turn of the new year. So we expected some of that, but it feels a little bolder than in past years. It looks like also the frustration that sellers are experiencing from home prices being flat or buyers not moving into the market has stopped some sellers from bringing their homes to the market. We'll see if that changes as we turn into the new year and we get an increase in inventory. The third thing to note about the market this month isn't really related to the Las Vegas market, but it's related to what went on in the last couple of weeks regarding the Federal Reserve. Chairman Powell came out after raising rates by 0.5 point, raising the federal funds rate 0.5 point, and said that we are likely to experience unemployment and some pain as we move into 2023, indicating that the Fed is acknowledging that the moves that they made are probably going to cause a recession. Some are suggesting that it might be not a light recession or a brief recession, but maybe a mid to deeper recession. Those comments were almost an apology to consumers last week. And so the question is, how long will that recession last, and when will we begin to feel the effects as far as unemployment, or even will we because the labor market's so tight? So there's a lot going on with the recession that's going to play back into the real estate market. But the last thing for this month is that as we have been watching for the last few months, prices are decreasing. The median price of a single-family residence went from $445,000 in October to $434,500 in November. That's a decrease of somewhere between 2 and 3%. That's one of the more sizable increases we've had in the last few months. And the signs suggest that prices may continue to go down for these next few months as the market tries to find some sort of a bottom. So what does this mean for you? If you're thinking about buying a home as we move into the new year and you're a buyer, there's a couple things to note. Number one is the ability to negotiate has made its way back into the real estate transaction. Back when the market was tight and sellers were controlling the market, buyers came in and just paid the price the seller wanted or even above the asking price. What we're seeing is some discounts off list prices even after sellers have reduced prices, which is making it a possibility for buyers. If you're thinking about buying now or in the near future, pay attention to what's going on in the market because we don't think that opportunity will last too long into the future. If you're thinking about selling in this market, there's a lot of creative solutions that we've come up with that are helping our sellers still maintain top dollar in this market. And so we have some pricing strategies also that are helping our sellers get their house sold as opposed to having it sit on the market and wait and wait and wait and have that frustration build to where they pretty much become a cancellation or a resignation consumer at this time. So whether you're thinking about buying real estate now or in the near future, or you're thinking about selling or need to sell your house as we turn into the new year, we've got a lot of ideas, we've got a lot of strategies, we've got a lot of things that are working for our clients on both sides of the coin. Reach out to us. We're here to help you. Have a great holiday season. I'm David Brownell, and thanks for watching.